Morning guys, it's another glorious day in London. Welcome again to Fitu's Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to be showing you how to cook another Chinese classic, Chao Mian, or in the English vernacular, Chow Mein. If you like the sound of this video, stick around. Roll intro. So we use about 200 grams of number 2 wheat noodle, and we're going to boil these for a minute. It's going to be very quick. Now we boil the vegetables and chicken for a minute as well. You want to keep the vegetables a bit crunchy. Make sure you oil your wok, and you really need to do this really well so that the noodles don't stick. Add some more oil if necessary, just to keep the noodles slightly moist. You don't want them to stick to the pan. So we're going to add a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Pinch of sugar, half a tablespoon of thin soy sauce, and a quarter tablespoon of dark soy sauce. The pinch of sugar is just to balance the flavour so that it's not too salty. Get your Wok Hei going. For an explanation of what is Wok Hei, check out the description. And add some fresh black pepper and some raw bean sprouts to garnish. So here's the Chow Mein in all its glory. Let's give this bad boy a taste. Smells good. That's good. So that's it for this week. Hope you enjoyed the Chow Mein, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. It really does help. Take care. Bye.